Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's kitchen. Today we'll be making homemade pizza. Yes guys, so simple, so delicious, so yummy, so tantalizing. Yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so already. So guys, let's get started. Alright guys, let's get started. I will introduce all the ingredients to you guys as we go along. So here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I also add 1 sachet of active dry yeast, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, and the next I'll be adding 1.5 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. So I'll be using a total of 1 1/4 cup of water, but right now I added just 1 cup for the beginning. So I mixed that up, so the water is not enough, so I went ahead and add about 1/4 cup of water. So at this point, when you mix your dough, you don't need to add extra water. Right now the dough should be fine, but I want to have a very soft dough, so I'll go ahead and add a little bit more of water to achieve that softness that I'm looking for. So once I have everything mixed up, I'll go ahead and add another half a teaspoon of vegetable oil just around the bowls, and then mix it around to prevent the dough from sticking too much to the mixing bowl. So once everything has been mixed around, not all the way completely, but make sure that the bowl are well, like you have enough oil around it. So I wrapped it up with plastic wrap, and I'll go ahead and cover this with another kitchen towel and set this aside for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. So 1 hour later, because I was busy, I planned to let it sit for like 30 minutes, but I was pretty much busy, so I let it sit there for like 1 hour while I get what I was doing done. So, and the dough has risen like triple in size from what it used to be, what it was like at the beginning. So as you guys can tell, it's very sticky. Yes, this is a very sticky pizza dough that I'm making. So I'll go ahead and spread in some flours, and then I'll put my dough on the kneading mat. As you guys can literally see that this is very sticky, so you go ahead and keep adding a little bit of flour. So I added about close to 2 tablespoons of flour to achieve this consistency. Right now it's still a little bit sticky, but it's okay. So if you want to have a very soft dough, you have to make your the pizza dough to be soft. So right now I'll go ahead and sprinkle in another flour, because it's time for me to just push them out to the shape of the pizza. So I added a little bit of flour to enable me do that part. So I thought I should just go ahead and do this on my baking pan right away. So in my baking pan, the pan that I'll be using to bake the dough, I spread in some flours in it. Then I place my dough in it, then I keep pushing it out just that way until I have everything well pushed to the size the way I want it. As you can see, we're getting there. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just using my hand to push that in to give that pizza a crust, like you need to have like a larger crust at the tip of it. So once everything is well the way I want it, so I'll go ahead and add in my homemade pizza sauce. So if you haven't checked that out, you need to check out my homemade pizza sauce. So simple and so delicious that you will love this pizza sauce recipe. So guys, the next step is to add the cheese. Yes, I'm using mozzarella cheese, so I'll go ahead and add in all the cheese. You can add a lot of cheese if you want. I don't like my pizza being too cheesy, but you can add as many cheese as you want. So after the cheese, I go ahead and add my pepperoni. Yes, I usually don't like pepperoni, but my kids love pepperoni, so I'm just go ahead and add the pepperoni. Alright guys, I'll go ahead and add this in the oven, and I will let it bake in the oven for 30 minutes in a 350-degree Fahrenheit. And after 30 minutes, this is what the pizza is looking like. Looking so nice, so delicious. And the spot where I don't have pepperoni, I decided to remove the pepperoni because I do not like pepperoni, and that part is my portion. I'll be eating one slice of the pizza, eating just one slice of the pizza. Yes, so my kids can go ahead and enjoy the rest of the pizza. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe today, and if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to hit that subscription button. Of my returning subscriber, thank you all so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.